So this is also going to happen in India. Means everyone is going to be buying electric car. So this is one part in India. We are studying the investment part. So we are starting with those companies which will be very expensive in future, but right now at a very cheap prices, just because of R&D which are ongoing in the companies. But after the R&D is done, after the prices of the things are fixed, and government started giving it pressure, pressurizing people that use it, and scrappage policy is out, then all those companies will be touching the sky. Okay, but the names of the companies we shall be discussing later. Another part is those companies which right now जिनका आजकल आज का टाइम है, something like before few years, before 10 years I think, RCom used to be a very nice company, but right now RCom is insolvent. Okay, मतलब है नहीं, bankrupt हो गई, या मतलब 300 का शेयर 30 पैसे पर आ गया. Okay, so but RCom used to be a very nice company that time. Idea used to be a very nice company that time. Okay, so it doesn't mean you bought Idea Vodafone. I'm taking a hypothetical example. If you would have bought Idea company at 10 rupees and it become 100 rupees, you made 10 times of money. But again, after 20 years, it is at 10 years. और inflation rate का तो कहना ही क्या. तो 20 years के बाद भी rate अगर 10 रुपए पर आ गया, it was not a bad decision of entering into the share, but it was a bad decision holding the share. Okay, so holding a share was a bad decision. Why? Because the business went very in the pressure of Reliance company. Okay, Jio. So Jio came. So where the fund will be migrating from Airtel. So Airtel and Idea Vodafone, हालांकि Airtel ने अपने आप को दोबारा से स्टैंड कर लिया, but the fund will be migrating from the Idea to the Reliance. Why? क्योंकि अब आने वाला टाइम, यहाँ तक का टाइम आइडिया का था, आइडिया वोडाफोन का था, मतलब ये कि 20 रुपए में you give 20 rupees and you will get 200 MB of data or 150 MB of data to just operate your phone and using the WhatsApp. Okay, but you can't operate, you watch videos on YouTube in 150 MB. अब तक का टाइम आइडिया का था, but in next 10 years टाइम किसका होगा? Reliance का. Why? Because Reliance is with the another big idea. So now fund will be migrating from this stock to that stock, means from Idea to Reliance. Okay, but if you are holding Idea, if you are still holding Idea company, then that is a mistake. So buying a stock at a good price, selling a stock at a good price, that is a good decision. Okay, so this was the fundamental base. But technically what you should do means, it doesn't mean कि कंपनी का जब बुरा टाइम आएगा तभी स्टॉक गिरेगा, जरूरी नहीं है. कंपनी का जब बुरा टाइम आएगा, when there will be a bad time on the company, the stock of the company will fall and keep on fall. But when there will be no bad time in the company, but the valuations are high, or the price is too far from the intrinsic value. Price is too far from the intrinsic value. I will go very slow. Why? Just because I want everyone to please observe each and everything what I'm telling you. So I think all have no problem about my speed of teaching. So please let me know in the chat box. Everyone is agree with me? The speed which I'm teaching right now? please. Everyone, please give your consent in the chat box. Okay, I will go very slow. क्योंकि अगर आपने भी 2 महीने स्पेंड किए, मैंने भी 2 महीने स्पेंड किए, you paid me 2000, that is an amount, okay, and the amount is not bigger than the time, okay, so you are devoting time, I am devoting time, so that should come out with a nice result. So I want everyone to, after 2 months, all those people who have joined today, I want all you people to say that these classes were awesome. Okay, so I will be giving you my best, what I use in trading, while trading practically on the terminal. So first part is, if there is a fundamentally bad news in stock, if something bad in fundamentally, something like Kodak के टाइम पर मे बी हम तो रहे नहीं होंगे, मैं तो खैर बच्चा ही हूँ, कि कोडैक कंपनी कब ट्रेड होती थी या कब उसका डाउनफॉल आया, आई हैव नो आइडिया. Why? Because I born in 1992, 3, sorry. Okay, so I don't know. So I started seeing those digital cameras. Okay, so those who used to use the reel wala camera, I hope they know the rally of Kodak. So Kodak used to be a nice company that time, but what happened when digital cameras were in the market or reels का जमाना चला गया, then what happened actually? स्टॉक का जमाना भी चला गया. तो जब स्टॉक का जमाना चला जाए, you should not stay in the stock. You should move from the stock, from that stock to the stock जिसका जमाना आने वाला है. Okay, this is fundamental. This is a very basic fundamental. सबको पता भी होता है. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि हमारे पास जब स्टॉक होता है, हम कहते हैं नहीं, इसका ये इतनी जल्दी नहीं गिरेगा, ये थोड़ा और, मेरा 10% गिरा है, 5% कवर कर जाए मैं बुक कर दूंगा. वो और 10% गिर जाता है, फिर आप कहते हैं चल 5% या 7% कवर कर जाए मैं बुक कर दूंगा. गिरते गिरते 50% आप कहते थे ये नहीं कवर करेगा, बुक कर लेते हैं. अब 50% में बुक कर लेते हैं. ओके, बहुत से लोग पूरा होल्ड करके चले जाते हैं, 100 का 0 करके चले जाते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी. ओके, सो स्टॉक का मतलब ये है जमाने के साथ चलना. जमाना जहां लेकर जा रहा है आपको वहां पर ही चलना. ओके, सेकंड थिंग, when you should exit, when there is fundamentally bad news, then you need to study. If there is a fundamental news, there is a strike for 15 days in the factory of Maruti company, what will be the impact on the fundamental of the company? No problem, hold it. But what happened actually, Maruti company has not done R&D on the electric cars, but all the companies are launching electric cars. Why should you hold Maruti? You should hold those companies which are launching right now. Maruti, Tata Motors, okay, it launched electric car, but I'm not recommending this stock, just telling you. Okay, so why should you hold Maruti company which is not showing interest in the electric car, but all the other companies showing interest in the electric cars? Okay, so second thing is this: you should migrate your fund from one stock to another stock. Third is technically, when everything is good, there is no fundamental bad news, but still price is falling. When price falls, because when price goes very far from the intrinsic value is increasing with 10%, but the value is increasing with 30%. That 20% is that 20% is something like air in the Lay's packet. In the packet of Lay's, if you see the Lay's packet, that air in this nitrogen gas, that is the market price. The whole packet is market price. Air is actually the premium price or surplus, or the chips is the intrinsic value. So if you remove the intrinsic value, the air is just the cover over the intrinsic value. So that air may go anytime. That air may, come out from the packet anytime. What you should do actually, you should always think, we should always know what is the intrinsic value of your stock. Whenever price arrives around the intrinsic value, it does never come at the intrinsic value. It comes at intrinsic value only when corona type things comes. Okay. Only when again corona will become, I hope it never comes, but still I'm just taking an example. Anything happens in the market, overall anything bad happening in the market, economy is going down, every stock will be selling, will be sold at the intrinsic value. You can buy at every stock at intrinsic value. Something like in Reliance was at 875. Now it has 2300 just after hitting 875. Okay. And Bajaj Finance it was at 1777. What is right now 5600. Was there anything bad in the fundamental of Bajaj Finance? No. People will never stop borrowing money. Okay. The business of Bajaj Finance is very good. But why it fell down? Because every FII, every DI was withdrawing money just because of the panic. Every person was withdrawing the money just because of the panic. So price fell down. What is this? Actually, this is the opportunity to buy the stock. So that is the case. But it doesn't happen again and again. It is not going to happen in next 10 to 15 years, I hope. So what you should do, you should buy a stock on the healthy correction. What is healthy correction? But when there is everything is good, but still prices fall. If price is falling, you should take it as an opportunity and you should buy it at a right price. But why 4700 and 4600 was the right price, I will be telling you later in this class. Okay. So here you see weekly chart. Whenever you are going to take the decision to invest the money in any stock, the first duty is to have a look on the weekly chart. If the weekly chart is like this, invest money in this. If the weekly chart is not like this, never invest money in this. Okay. But what is like this actually? Like this means I will be telling you some data actually, some numbers, how much correction, how much percentage, and then you should buy, and it has been going upside like this and you should buy it, and then this happened. Okay. And I will be telling you the tricks of Mark Minervini. He is the biggest, very big trader in world, and he has won some competitions of trading. So what he do actually when he is buying stocks, I will also be telling you, that is also very easy trick. So let me show you something on you should only think. Okay, you should only think yourself, you are sitting in 2016. Okay, you are sitting in 2000, this is 2016. Let's time travel. Okay. Let's travel in time and we are in 2016. Have a look at Bajaj Finance chart, and it is right now at 1200. Right now it is at the level of 1000. I ask you all, will you be considering Bajaj Finance this is expensive share or not? Tell me. क्या आप सन 2016 में बैठे हो, क्या आप इस बात को बोलेंगे that this share is right now very expensive? I should not buy this stock because this has gone up very much. Why? Because in 2012, it was only at 54 rupees. And right now it is at 1000 rupees. So it is very expensive right now. I should not buy it here. क्या आप सभी लोग इसको कंसिडर करेंगे? आप फ्यूचर को भूल जाएं, आप 2016 में हैं. बताएं सभी लोग चैट बॉक्स में. All the people will tell me in the chat box. You are in 2016. How you will be thinking about Bajaj Finance? सभी का आंसर चाहिए. आप ही के आंसर से आज सन 2021 का एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होती है. ठीक है, आप सभी के आंसर से you are giving me the answer that the stock is very expensive right now. You are sitting in 2016. You don't know what is going to happen in next 5 years. And right now you are saying that this stock is very expensive because it was in 2012 at 51 rupees and now it is at 1000 rupees. 20 times it has gone up. 20 times it has gone up. Okay. So what should we do? Right now, what problem solved? Every stock which people are saying that, which people saying right now that is expensive, you should buy that stock. Okay. So right now, any stock which is considered expensive right now, you should buy that stock. Who knows, in future Bajaj Finance will be at 50,000 or maybe 1 lakh. Okay. Praveen Goswami, can't decide without knowing the future earnings. Exactly. We can't decide without knowing the future earning. Yes, but we should consider the business of the stock of the company right now, how it is going. Agar right now the environment of the stock is good, in future that Mr. A, the story I told you, that Mr. A in future will be a highly educated person. If right now his behavior is good, if anything reflecting in his behavior is good, in future after 20 years, he will be a nice person, he will be an educated person. But if something bad is reflecting in his behavior right now, it doesn't mean he will be a nice, well-educated person in after 20 years. Okay. So right now, whatever stock has gone up very fast, has gone up very much, it has gone up just because of its valuations, just because of its growth in few years, in those years in which the stocks wasn't rally. If it follows this growth in the future also, the stock will also be going upside like this. Okay, I'm not telling you that the Bajaj Finance will be at 1 lakh rupees, but maybe, who knows? If this in 2016, from 2012, from 51 rupees, it may become 5100 rupees. Why it can't go from 5100 to 51,000? Okay, so it went up like this. What should have been done? It should have been bought at the right price every time. Okay. So right price, what will be the right price? I will be telling you. When do we have time? Everyone has 5 minutes. So अपना 5 minutes और निकालना है, ठीक है? So we have a tool called Fibonacci, which I will be telling you tomorrow. Fibonacci, the introduction to Fibonacci. Here I'm using a simple moving average. That is, few of you have studied it before. Yeah, 200 SMA. You can keep it 50 SMA also, 52 SMA. Okay. And you all know what is the meaning of 52 SMA. 52 SMA means 1 year actually. Not getting my point? 52 weeks in a year. Why moving average? As I told you, we shall be discussing about the chart. Why moving average? What is moving average? What type of decision we take based on moving averages? Moving average is nothing but the average of the close price of the weekly candle, daily candle, 15-minute candle, hourly candle, whatever. But this is the only average. An average of what? With how many candles? How many candles? Those candles which we have chosen in the setting of the moving average. We have set 200 SMA. It means it is taking the average of previous. It is taking the average of the close price of previous 200 weekly candles. Rishabh Gambhir, are you getting my point? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what I'm telling you, the close price of weekly chart, the close price of weekly candle, the 200 SMA on this chart is showing you the average of close price of previous 200 weekly candles. Okay. So if we take the average, we get this price. This is the last price. Okay. Wherever I will put the cursor, you will be getting the average. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So 200 SMA shows you the average. So SMA, EMA, anything, any indicator. These indicators are not the decision maker actually. You are the decision maker. But you put a condition on yourself, on your brain, that if this happens, I will be taking this decision. Because our brain will not be seeing the future. But if we use statistics, we shall be getting the ideas. That if this history shows, this, at present, in future, this may also happen. Because history repeats itself. Okay. So 200 SMA is nothing but a line which shows you average, and we shall consider a stock fundamentally good if this is above 200 SMA. There is no rule behind this, just a psychology. Okay, we shall be considering a stock a fundamentally sound company if the stock price is above 200 SMA on weekly chart. It means previous 200 average is below. If 200 weekly close average is below weekly price, yeah, current price. If this is the case, we will be considering this stock is a nice stock. But it doesn't mean that you should buy this stock. You should buy this stock at any price. No. I'm telling you, this is the only one thing when you will be considering a stock fundamentally sound. When you should take the decision, let me tell you, you will use this Heikin-Ashi chart. What is Heikin-Ashi candle? I will be telling you tomorrow because we are going out of the time. This is 8:34. So what is Heiken Ashi candle? I will be telling, or you may study on the Google. It will reduce the time and increase the content of the class. So if you study it on the Google, that will also be helpful, because I will be telling you the technicalities of this and how we should use it in practical way. I will be telling. So formation I will be telling you tomorrow. What you need to do is, if this is about 200 SMA, if the price of any stock is about 200 SMA, what you need to do, whenever you see the green candle on weekly chart on Heiken Ashi, okay, on Heiken Ashi, whenever you see the green candle, just buy it. Just buy it. Do not think about the business of the stock. Do not think about the future of the stock. Anything. You don't need to think about anything. You need to think whether it is green or red. If it is green, just buy it and hold it. And sell it when another green. When again you see the red, sell it. That's it. Okay. It doesn't mean making money is so hard in the market. You should make rule on yourself, which are so easy to take the decision. If decision making is so hard, how can you make money in this market? Because decision is everything in this market, whether it is entry or whether it is exit. So entry decision should be very easy, so that you can take it very fast. Because decision making on the right time is the we can say the trick. Okay, yeah, holy grail, anything you can name it. But at the right time you need to take the decision. This is the game of timing. This is the game of timing. Price will be going upside, but if you buy it at highs, you will be feeling the pain of the loss for the long term. You see, many people will be giving you the assurance that it will be hitting the all-time high again. But still for many weeks, you will be in the pain of the loss, of notional loss. That will give you that will be the opportunity cost also. It means for the time you are holding that particular stock, you may have get another opportunities in some other stocks, but right now this is a loss, so you will not be booking it. Okay. So what you need to do is the price, just write it in the brain, write it in the mind, and make it a rule. Whenever any stock is above 200 SMA, buy it on green Heiken Ashi and sell it on another red, again, next red Heiken Ashi. When next the red Heiken Ashi, when there is next red Heiken Ashi, you will sell it, and then again wait for the another green Heiken Ashi, and you will continuously be doing in any stock again and again. But the stock should be above 200 SMA. Sir, should we sell it also? Should we sell it on the red Heiken Ashi? Means short it? No, you should not short it. You should only go long. If you have 1 lakh, 50,000, 10,000, 20,000, and you want to trade in the market, you should do this work. You should go through this work. In this way, you will not be seeing a loss again and again. You will not be feeling the pain of the loss again and again, but you will be enjoying the gain again and again. Okay? You need to be you need to have patience, and you don't need to go behind those people who will be saying that you have 10,000, you will be making the money double every day. So market makes money this way, but for doubling 10,000 every day, you should have 10 lakh rupees, okay, in your pocket. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 100% capital every day use करें. Okay, so if you have less capital, you should trade in the market like this, If you want to make your portfolio and you can watch market continuously on the weekly basis, means you can watch market 5 minutes every day only. Okay, means you go office or you have your another business. You need to see the market only 5 minutes a day, only to check whether it is making a red candle or green candle on weekly chart. That's it. Just take 1 lakh rupees, do this work, and that will be giving you a nice return over the year. Okay, but you don't need to do that kind of work, but I will be teaching you that work also, means buying option, selling option, buying future, selling future. Okay, option strategies, but these all are the parts of the trading. This is the simplest way of making money in the market. Okay, so today we were talking about the investment part, and this is not it's not give me 1 minute. Praveen sir, yes, purely in weekly basis, but we have least time today. Otherwise, I would be telling you. कल मैं बताऊंगा कि इसके अंदर और कौन सी चीजें देखनी है. अब ये बिल्कुल बेसिक है, इसको थोड़ा सा हम इसी चीज को एडवांस लेकर जाएंगे, बहुत स्लो चलेंगे. इसी चीज को एडवांस लेकर जाएंगे कि कैसे आप अपने ट्रेड को हेज करेंगे, कैसे आप उसकी सिक्योरिटी लेंगे, कैसे आप उसमें आर्ली बेसिस पर डिसीजंस लेंगे, कैसे आप उसके रेड कैंडल बनने से पहले पता लगा लेंगे कि रेड कैंडल बन सकती है. ओके, या ग्रीन कैंडल बनने से पहले पता लगा लेंगे कि ग्रीन कैंडल बन सकती है. ओके, तो कल मैं ये काम आपको सिखाऊंगा और उसके बाद हम बहुत स्लोली अपने चीज को आगे बढ़ाते चले जाएंगे. ट्रेडिंग इज नॉट द that work which can be learned in a week or in 2 days or 3 days. This is a continuous process. When you are sitting at 9:15 before your terminal for 3:30, you never know what is going to happen today in the market. Whatever market shows you, you take the decision accordingly and you make the money or lose the money. So in those 6.5 hours, you need to use whole of your brain, means all the things you have learned till now. You need to use all the things. You need to take wise decisions while making the entries, the exits. So in these 2 months, we shall be learning all those tricks and strategies. Thank you for joining. I hope सभी लोगों को आज मजा आया होगा. किसी को अगर मजा ना आया हो तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में बताएं. I will improve myself in the next class also. सभी को सही लगा क्लास? सही अच्छी लगी? ऋषभ Gambhir is taking my class first time, and I think all are from the previous batch. Yes. Thank you, sir. Praveen sir. Okay, everyone.
Okay, bye नवीन जी. बहुत कुछ है सीखने के लिए आपसे.
Yes, 7:30. आप एक दूसरे से सब लोग सीखते रहेंगे. Yes. और कल मिलते हैं दोबारा फुल एनर्जी के साथ. Okay, good night. After a long time, I'm feeling very energetic. Yes. And I'm recalling that time also, because it's been, I think, 3 months. Yes. I didn't teach anyone. I was going through some